You've got to be careful how you read this problem. It says the number of variations in sign is defined as the number of pairs of consecutive terms of the sequence for which the product of the two consecutive terms is negative. So, number of pairs of consecutive terms of the sequence for which the product. So, what you're doing is multiplying consecutive pairs, and you want to see how many of them are negative. So 1 times negative 3 is negative 3, but that's 1. Now take your next, you're multiplying these together, and now we're going to multiply negative 3 times 2. That's your next one, and that's negative 6. That gives you negative. And now you're going to multiply 2 times 5, and that's positive 10, so that doesn't count. And now you're going to take that 5 and multiply it times a negative 4, and that gives you negative 20. That's your third pair. And now you're going to take that negative 4 and multiply it by a negative 6, and that gives you a positive 24. So you had 1, 2, 3 pairs that made it negative.